guys, and welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Siobhan, and if you're coming from my Instagram account, you may already know me as a home stager and organizer. But on this channel, I'm actually going to dive a little deeper into what Restyle living is all about by sharing all of our DIY tips, home organizing hacks, thrift flips, and so much more. So if you would like to see more, please hit that subscription button below and hit that notification bell. We post new content every single Monday. Also, please comment below and let me know what area in your home you're having trouble with or that you would like to see me organize here on my channel. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye. Let me know what area in your home you're having trouble organizing and decluttering. Or you can even let me know any places that you want to see me organize here, and we'll do it. We got you. We'll do it. Just let me know. Comment, subscribe, link, click all them bills. Click them all, click them all. Because we got some good content, guys. We got some great content.